Hello, my name is Tanay Tiwari and welcome to Buzz This Week, a show that if it looked any cooler from the outside, the government would have to name it the coolest Buzz This Week. What? You didn't like the joke? Bernie, you've slept already? Get up. You guys are here, right? On the show this week. Get up, Bernie. The heroes return. England gear up for India. And IPL 2021 auction, the race heats up. That Gabba win, man, don't lie. I know you've been going back to that visual of Rishabh Pant hitting the winning runs, India winning a historic series. And all of us, although it's been a week now, can't just wipe these smiles off our faces because India just did not beat Australia. They beat adversity, they beat the naysayers, they beat the odds. And in the process, glass ceilings were shattered, new heroes were born. And when heroes are born, heroes must be welcomed home like heroes. Ajinkya Rahane, the captain, getting a leader's welcome. How cool is it? And how cool is Ajinkya Rahane? But he's also a gentleman. When offered to cut a kangaroo cake, like a true gentleman and a true leader, he said, no, it's okay. The celebrations are fine, but he's going to do it the dignified way, like he has done all through his career. Then there was Mohammad Siraj, perhaps the hero of the series, the story of the series. And just like that, once he returned home, he didn't really go back home. From the airport, he straight went to his father's grave, who he had lost during the Australia tour, and continued playing for India. What a series it is, and all that we can hope for is for Siraj's father to watch him from wherever he is and be very proud of this boy. And then there was the T. Natarajan welcome. Say no more. And it just didn't stop at the welcomes. There were gifts waiting for these players, from industrialists offering them new cars to new bat sponsorships for a few Indian stars. It was all pouring in, and such is their achievement. I'm saying, इतना अच्छा अचीवमेंट है कि सब लौटा दो इन पे. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ व्हाट्सएप इनका डेटा मत स्टोर करना, और पेट्रोलियम कंपनीज इनको पेट्रोल 60 रुपए पर लीटर में दे दो. ज़्यादा मांग लिया ना. But focus दोस्तों, Australia is behind us. England is ahead. Yes, England have announced their squad for the first two test matches against India, and a few key names are missing there. Especially that of Johnny Bairstow and Sam Curran, two key players to that squad because of just the kind of pedigree they offer and the kind of performances they promise. And this squad selection hasn't gone down well with a lot of people. बट इंग्लैंड से जो आ रहे हैं वो भी कम नहीं है. जी हाँ, टेस्ला का ऑटो पायलट तो इंडिया में बाद में आएगा, पहले आएगा इंग्लैंड का ऑटो पायलट. Joe Root has been scoring runs in Sri Lanka like he wasn't born in Yorkshire but in Yavatmal. I mean, the way he plays spin is so beautiful and also so dangerous for India, and his fourth shot percentage in that series against Sri Lanka is alarmingly low. Joe Root can be a trouble for India, but he won't be the only trouble for India, because that one man who you can call cricket ka Anil Kapoor. Yes, age for James Anderson is not just a number, it's a joke. And it's a joke that he cracks every time he has that ball in his hand. In 30 degrees heat on a flat pitch with around 100% humidity, he picks up yet another six-for. Jimmy, I can't even say that we can't wait for you to come to Chepauk. उसका भी precedent खराब कर दिया टीम भैया ने. Away from the whites and in the build-up to India's premier white ball tournament, the Indian Premier League 2021, releases and retentions has got everyone talking. You expected a few releases, and then there were releases that you didn't really expect, and yet they happened. It's only heating up as we build up to that IPL 2021 auctions, with Robin Uthappa saying goodbye to the Rajasthan Royals. He has been traded to the Chennai Super Kings in an all-cash deal. Things are really getting heated up on that front. But that's not it. A few players have thrown in their names already for that auctions, and one big name there is S. Sreesanth. Now, with his Kerala captain also captaining the Rajasthan Royals, will it be where he redeems himself? That team where it all ended once for Sreesanth, will it be that team that redeems this guy? Only time will tell. Your bus challenge for this week is in line with the IPL auctions. Yes, you have to tell me the biggest purchase that you think will be made at this auctions. I can tell you mine, okay? I think Cameron Green is already looking at sports cars and plush properties in Australia. Yes, he's going to be the biggest buy according to me. Who, according to you, will be the biggest buy this IPL auctions? Tell us using hashtag BuzzThisWeek on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, सब जगह हम हैं. बस आप अपने जवाब भेज दीजिए. That's all that we have for you on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week. बर्नी चाचा, आप सो ही रहे हो तब से. This was such a good show, man.